Hi everyone, welcome back to NAANEP TV Basic Autocad Tutorial. Today we are going to study special symbols commonly used in Autocad. Actually, now currently, when Windows was introduced in Autocad, special characters or special symbols can be just cut and paste from character map. However, it is always important to know the basic way of writing it inside Autocad. Okay, so what are the symbols that we are going to study? Okay, first is diameter. Diameter is the overall width of a pipe or a circle. Okay, this plus minus is also a symbol indicating levels. And pertaining to angles, we use degrees. As well as sometimes you want to highlight something in your drawing that you need or you want to put an underscore or underline. So the thing is that how to prepare this. Okay? First is this one, diameter. To type it, okay, I will write here on the right side. I will write the text that you have to type to achieve these symbols or this underline. Okay, I'm going to type now, but this time I'm going to put a space in between. So thing is that for diameter it is percent, then percent, then C. Okay. That is how to type this one. But of course, this one should not have space. Because if I'm going to put space, automatically this writing will become symbol of diameter. Then for plus minus sign, it is percent space percent P. Okay, this is just how to write it. You have to take note of this one. So this one, if I'm going to remove the space in between the fonts, the symbol, this percent P will become plus minus sign. Okay, then so let's proceed to degrees. So this one is percent D. You got it? All this one should be written without the space. Okay? This underscore can also be done the same way. Percent U. So if I wrote this without the space, automatically it will be like this one. To show you, I'll just show you an example. This one I'm going to remove the space in between the. So this one I'm going to remove now. Then this one I'm also going to remove. Okay. Also this one I'm going to remove. Space, delete, delete, as well as this one. Delete, delete. There. As well as this symbol, this underline score. But this one is because this one don't have any text to be. So here I'm going to write a say sample. So once I remove this the space between these two percentage number symbol, this one once I enter it become sample with underscore line. Okay. So the next question is that if in this case like this one, if I want to remove this underline score, how to do it? Even if you click on it, you cannot see any symbol. So the technique is to click in front of the word and then type again percent %u. See, automatically it was removed. So these are just simple commands, but very important, especially if you are in the construction industry or technical practicing technical drawing. So this one I am going to undo so you can take note. If you have a camera, you can take snapshot of this one, but don't forget, please don't forget that there should be no space between the fonts. Okay, if you find the command I taught just now useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel NAANEP TV so that you will be updated the next time I post another tutorial on Autocad. We are going to explore all the useful commands and dialog boxes inside Autocad. Okay, I didn't bother to tackle all the commands because Autocad is so wide. I haven't seen any Autocad operator that was able to use all the commands inside the Autocad. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, NAANEP TV. And stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless. Thank you very much.